Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you, step by step, on how to connect Facebook lead ads to N8N. Integrating these platforms automates your lead management and saves time. Let's get started. First, open your N8N dashboard on your PC and log into your account. Next, create a new workflow by clicking plus New Workflow. Then, add the Facebook lead ads node. You'll need to connect your Facebook account and grant the required permissions. Now, select the Facebook page and lead form you want to integrate. After that, add any additional nodes in N8N to process the leads, such as sending them to Google Sheets, email, or a CRM. Finally, activate the workflow. Your Facebook leads will now automatically flow into N8N, ready for further actions or notifications. That's it. Connecting Facebook lead ads to N8N is fast, simple, and lets you automate lead management effortlessly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.